Okay, rolling. The eBay purchase 20-inch foreign chainsaw, model 5200. I've used non-leaded high-octane fuel with the mixture suggested by the manufacturer of 20-to-1 for the break-in period. It's filled with the fuel mix and the oil. We'll take the bar off. The manufacturer asked for a YouTube video. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can. Ignition on. Squeezing in and putting in the lock. Now let's see if I could rest this down somewhere, and pulling out the choke. The spark plug is flooding out. I've checked for spark. I've got spark. It's just a little weak. This camera is probably going to go tumbling when I start pulling on this. I've worked on this for over 2 hours of pulling. I'm a little older and disabled. Oh, so a little sore today. Let's see if I can do this without tipping the camera over. Oh. I'll rest my foot here. Gas is on. And that's what you get. One attempted start. And with the fuel still on, you're just going to flood the plug. Ignition off, ignition on. We'll try it without loading the fuel so I don't flood the plug again. I put this in the question to the seller that it did start and just goes pop pop. We'll pull the choke again. Okay, we will put the fuel on. Push the tab. It's on. Anyway, I've done that for hours. Pulled the plug, corrected a wire problem. You got a weak spark and flooded plug. Taking the fuel off. Ignition off. Choke in. Safety bar will go back on. Thank you.